Instagram allows you to save events, reminders, and scheduled posts, but sometimes it's hard to locate them. In this guide, I'll show you step by step on how you can find your saved calendar on Instagram so you never miss any event. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application. Now, once you're in the home page, go to your profile. Tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and you will see the option of saved under how you use Instagram section. Tap on that. And then go ahead and find your events. In the saved section, look for the collection labeled, which is between all and reels section. And here you can go ahead and create a collection where you might have saved event or related post. Tap on collection to see the events you've saved. And tap on saved event to see the details like date, locations, and reminders. If available, you can also add the event to your phone's calendar. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.